Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for anyone with a NuFace Trinity or Trinity Pro facial toning device, the AC Adapter from Kybate. This is the charger power supply that claims to be fully compatible with those specific NuFace devices. But does it live up to expectations? Let's find out. The Kybate AC Adapter is designed to work with NuFace Trinity and Trinity Pro facial toning devices. It features a standard input range of AC 100 to 240 volts and operates at 50-60 Hz, making it versatile for global use. One of the key highlights of this charger is its international quality certification, meaning it meets top industry safety standards. The adapter also includes multiple safety features such as protection against short circuits, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. This adds a layer of reliability and peace of mind when using the device for regular facial treatments. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. In terms of setup, the Kybate AC Adapter is straightforward. Just plug it into a compatible outlet and connect it to your NuFace device. It's a simple process, no surprises here. During use, the adapter performed consistently without any hiccups. The charging time was typical for devices in this category, and there were no issues with overheating, short-circuiting, or other potential hazards. Overall, it did its job as expected. When we move to the pros, the most obvious one is the safety features. Having multiple protection mechanisms built in makes this adapter a trustworthy option for daily use. The versatility in voltage, 100 to 240 volts, is another strength, ensuring it works globally without issue. The build quality, while simple, feels durable enough for regular use, and it's lightweight, so it's convenient to travel with if you need to take your NuFace device on the go. On the flip side, the biggest con might be its simplicity. There's nothing particularly innovative or unique about this charger, and it might not stand out against other third-party chargers that also offer the same functionality. If you're someone looking for a premium charger with additional features, this might not meet all your expectations. As far as value for money goes, it seems fair. The Kybate AC Adapter isn't priced too high compared to other chargers on the market, but it delivers the essential functionality you need. If you're in need of a replacement charger for your NuFace device, this one certainly fits the bill. It won't break the bank, but it does the job without adding unnecessary features or complexity. When compared to similar chargers, this one doesn't offer much in terms of distinguishing features, but it performs reliably. Other chargers on the market may offer extra functionalities like longer cords or quicker charging times, but for a basic charger that gets the job done, this is a solid option. Now, in terms of build quality, this AC adapter is built to last with basic, sturdy materials. The compact design makes it easy to store, and it's simple to use without any unnecessary frills. Customer support was mentioned in the product description, offering assistance for any questions or concerns. In our case, we didn't need to reach out, but having customer service available is always a positive feature for peace of mind. So, does this AC adapter live up to its promises? In a nutshell, it's a reliable and safe choice for those needing a charger for their NuFace Trinity or Trinity Pro devices. It's simple, effective, and gets the job done. If you're looking for something straightforward and safe, this is a great pick. However, if you need something more advanced or with extra features, you might want to explore other options. If this review was helpful to you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so others can also find this video when searching for the right charger for their NuFace device. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or your own experiences with this product, feel free to share them in the comments below. You can also find the link to purchase this product in the comments box. Until next time, stay charged up and keep glowing with Beautyistic.